Hi friends, Dr. Harsha from Vice Academy. In this video we'll know about flaps. We pretty well know about pedicle flap and free flap. The same flap can be used as pedicle and free flap depending upon the location. So thing is, a pedicle flap is something where it is not detached from its native vessel, but a free flap is the same flap which is detached from the native vessel and it is reanastomosed or reattached at the recipient site. So this is about pedicle flap and a free flap. So there is something called a chimeric flap. Chimeric flap, for example, it is what we can say is the flap is based on a single artery, but the same flap can be divided into two or more components. For example, a musculocutaneous latissimus dorsi flap can be broken down into a muscle flap and then into a fasciocutaneous flap. Or there can be a osseous component in the flap and also a soft tissue component in the flap. But the funda is they both are supplied by the same vessel. So these kind of flaps are called chimeric flaps. So this also can be called as a flap in flap concept. So for example, to better understand, we have this latissimus dorsi flap. So what they do is in the latissimus dorsi flap, everything above the muzzle is the fasciocutaneous component. So which is supplied by a perforator. So what they do is they carefully divide the fasciocutaneous component based on that perforator, and the same flap now can be used as two flaps at the recipient site. So flap in a flap based on the single vessel is called a chimeric flap. Thank you.